From Burton Boat Sales, just doing you a short walkthrough video of this Four Winds V278 Vista model that she is. She's here at Ipswich Beacon Marina. The nice thing with this boat, she's got the Volvo D4 260 horsepower engine in her, and the engine has just had a full Volvo service as well. So she's all ready to go from that perspective. The nice thing with this is you've got this lovely canopy area, you've got the arch on there. This boat's got also a searchlight on the bow as well, along with electric windlass. We've got this synthetic teak, which is just here, and it gives you a nice bathing platform to step onto the boat, which is quite handy. Got storage in there, fender locker. You've also got your shower on the back as well. Nice gate on the door there. Nice if you've got young kids, you can obviously secure them inside the boat, which is a nice little feature. And we've got these little blue lights around. The engine room hatch is electric and it comes up on a ram. And then you've got this seating area here, which gives you a nice U-shaped seating on the boat. So quite a nice size cockpit for the size of boat that she is. On the helm here, we've got dual helm seat. So if there's the two of you aboard, you can cruise with your partner next to you or friend or whatever. And then on here, we've got an updated Simrad chart plotter. We've got obviously all your engine dials. This boat's done 350 hours, so it's good in that respect. She's also on the EVC system and also has a bow thruster as well. The ability to step out through onto the front deck as well. You've got the opening door and you can open up just the middle section of the screen, or you can take the whole canopy sides off and just end up with the bimini. Always good to have that bimini section on, especially when you're at sea, because you get quite a lot of sunlight on you. Another nice feature on the door here, if you're anchored up or moored up and want a lot more air in the boat, you can just leave it with the fly screen across overnight as well. Then we come down into the boat. It's 2 steps down, so not bad at all. In here you've got your ship systems control and everything. And then as we go round, you come down to the galley here, which has got an electric hob, microwave oven, sink with hot and cold water. The hot water comes from either the engine or being plugged into shore power. We've then got a little fridge just down here as well, which has also got an ice compartment. And then you've got this forward area here, which can convert into a forward berth. So it is a 4-berth boat. Plenty of storage around the galley area for the size of the boat. You've got portholes plus your full opening hatch there on top as well. And then as we come round, we've then got your head with a sea toilet, which also acts as a wet room as well. And there's a nice full-length mirror just on the back of the door there. It's handy if you're going out for a nice meal. You can make sure you're all dressed and no faux pas on the clothing front. Then you've got your berth under there. It's a double berth. It goes obviously underneath the cockpit. Pretty standard for any boat of this size in the sports cruiser. And then you've got a Sony stereo system, which is up here as well. So you've got the entertainment. Also around the corner here, you have got a TV as well. It's a nice thing to have. It's got a TV aerial, so you'll be able to watch the TV and snuggle up aboard. But as you can see, it offers plenty of space aboard for the size of boat that it is. Nice having the sort of teak effect flooring. It's a good quality teak effect, that is, in fairness. So it really is quite pleasant. You don't get the glare from the white. But hopefully that just gives you a rough idea of the boat. Obviously the best thing to do is contact us at Burton Boat Sales in Ipswich for any further questions and to arrange a viewing. Thank you for watching.